Hi guys, welcome to the third lecture of Module 9 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture we'll be talking about how to assign some slope to the floors made. So first we need to make the floor. So I'll go to the level 1 plan and then I'll turn on the realistic view. So we had made this floor last time. So now we'll make a floor on this side with some slope to it. So to make the floor we need to go on floor architecture here. And then again we need to just assign the boundaries to it. This time we'll use this pick line tool. You can go with draw line also. So as this is the boundaries ready, so I click on pick line tool. Yeah, so you can see that I turn on the hidden line first. You can see this line is up till this end, so we need to trim that. So to trim it, so we need to go on this trim command or just press TR from the keyboard and just select the line which you want, and then the rest of the part gets trimmed. So the boundary is set. Now I just click on the slope arrow option here. So now the slope arrow option is enabled. Now we need to make a arrow such that the slope will be on that arrow. So I click on this end and till this end. This will be the direction of my slope. So here we have some different commands. So what first is the height offset at the tail. So this will be the tail end and this will be our head. So its height offset at tail is currently at 300 mm. So I'll change this to 450 mm here. Yeah, and the default head height. So this is at 0 and this is at 450 mm height. So now this slope is set. So I just need to click on finish edit here and the slope is ready. So I'll show this in a 3D view, then you'll get an idea. I'll hide the walls. So I'll press SA and then hide in view, hide category. So now you can see this slope here. Here you can see the slope. So this is the highest point. This is the tail point and this is the head. So you can see the slope. Yeah, so you can change this slope settings by just go to edit boundaries and then change it here. So I'll do this as 0 this time and this as 450 mm and then just finish it. Now you can see this slope has been changed and this is at the head is at 450 mm offset now and the tail is at the 0. I'll go to east elevation and I'll hide this also. You need to hide this by category. Yeah, you can see this offset here. You can change the arrow, the direction of the slope anytime. Just need to change the arrow direction and the slope will be changed. So that's about the direction of slope and how to assign slope.